Beth with Phastek.com. I am on my way to Serious Horsepower Performance Shop here in Houston, Texas. I'm going to take this 2010 Camaro SS and put it on the dyno so we can get a baseline for it. So we already started our build. We put a solo performance exhaust in it and a K&N Cold Air Intake. So we know that the K&N Cold Air Intake probably gives us about 13-14 HP. So we're cheating a little bit on the dyno. We just want to get a general baseline, because what's going to happen with this car is that over the next month or so, we're going to put some headers in it, and we're going to put a cam motion camshaft. And I'm not sure if you can hear it, but we need to fix our differential, so we're going to put a 410 gear in it. And throughout this whole process, we're going to be taking it to the performance shop to track our horsepower gains. So keep watching and stay tuned for our build. Okay, so we're leaving the dyno, and we picked up 382 is what we picked up. I think stock is 360, 365, so that makes sense because we have the K&N Cold Air Intake, which is getting us a little bit of gain. So keep watching for next week after we get our headers and our trifecta tune in it. We'll be back at Serious Horsepower Performance Shop to dyno it again. And anybody want to guess how much power we're going to pick up with the stainless power headers? Drop it in the comments.